So we're going to try to repair this now. I got a repair kit. First thing is to take this off. So hopefully it just comes right off. And hopefully it's just a small little hole. Yes, it is. So that is the repair kit right there. Everybody says that's all I need. Should be pretty straightforward. Alright, let's give it a try. So you put that in there. You take one of these things here. This is so sticky, can't even open it. Okay, I'm supposed to somehow put it in there. I feel like this is kind of a joke played on people like me. How am I supposed to fit that in there? Oh, you're not supposed to put it in here. You're supposed to just center in it. So halfway there, somewhere around there. And then we're gonna jam it in there, I guess. Well, that didn't work. But now that place is super clean.
What are you going to do next time? The whole one's morning.
So that fits. It's okay, we have 4 more tries. The picture clearly says to put it through the needle. Maybe I should watch this on YouTube first. He's having trouble getting it out too. Ah, he used pliers to pull it through. Okay, I figured it out. Problem with all this stuff is so sticky. It sticks everywhere. Okay.
Listen to me, little Papa. You don't understand. You're helping me. Don't talk so soundly.
There we go. See? Okay. Alright, so this is a pain in the ass, but I got it in there. We want to get it about halfway through. So about halfway. Now, I better watch the rest of that video first. That stuff's not gonna go in. That's ridiculous. There we go. All right. Wow. It actually worked. Incredible. The next thing is to cut this And that's it. Wow, it took a lot of strength to get it in there. Pretty interesting.